Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Today, we will try to cover the significant problems with the 6.2 diesel engine and their possible solutions. Watch this video till the end, you will get the idea. At first, you should know the actual issues that create the problems. Once you know where the problems are, you can go with the solutions. Now, we will try to explain the problems and the solutions. Problem number 1. Difficulty starting. The symptom that you will get to see is that, whenever you intend to turn on the engine will refuse to start. In this case, you have to check the fuel and injection pipes to see whether there are any crimps or damage. If you find some defects, don't hesitate to fix them. Problem number 2. Engine knock. For this, you will notice is the engine's sound running repeatedly. For solution, replace the fuel injection and check the oil level. Problem number 3. Engine stalling. For this, check the fuel pressure. And problem number 4. Oil leakage. For this, fix the oil gasket. Hope you now got some idea.